Your vehicle is sideways in the ditch off Highway 14, airbags deployed. It smells like burnt rubber and antifreeze. A sheriff's deputy just left. The tow truck is gone, and now your phone rings. You see, it's the insurance adjuster. They sound friendly. They say they just need a quick recorded statement. They might even tell you they can send a check right away. Here's the problem. What you say in the next 10 minutes could quietly cost you thousands, or even your entire case. If you were hurt in a crash in or around Coon Valley, you need to understand how auto accident laws in western Wisconsin actually work before you talk to insurance. I've been representing injured motorists across western Wisconsin for more than 20 years. I've taken on big insurance companies. I've taken cases to trial, and I've seen what happens when people unknowingly damage their own claim in the first week after a crash. So here are 3 things you need to know after a Coon Valley car accident. Number 1, do not give a recorded statement. Insurance adjusters are trained to protect the company, not you. They'll ask things like, how are you feeling? Were you in a hurry? Could you have avoided it? It seems harmless, but under Wisconsin's comparative negligence law, if they can pin 51% of the blame on you, you recover nothing. And even if you're partially at fault, your recovery is reduced by your percentage of fault. In rural areas like Coon Valley, where crashes often involve farm equipment, dump trucks, or even deer, fault arguments get complicated fast. Don't guess, don't speculate, and don't minimize your injuries. Number 2, get medical care and follow through with any recommended treatment. Western Wisconsin folks are tough. We shake it off. We just walk it off. That mindset can destroy your injury case. Soft tissue injuries, concussions, spinal disc injuries, they don't always show up immediately. If you wait 2 weeks to see a doctor, insurance companies will argue it must not have been serious. So go get evaluated. Follow the treatment plan. Keep your appointments. Medical records become the foundation of your case. No records, no leverage. And number 3, preserve evidence early. In a small town crash, evidence disappears quickly. Skid marks fade, vehicles get repaired, farm equipment goes back into service. Witnesses forget details. If your crash involves something like a commercial truck, a semi, milk hauler, a construction vehicle, or even a distracted driver on Highway 162 or Highway 14, there may be onboard data, dash cams, or cell phone records. That evidence can be lost unless someone moves quickly. A serious Coon Valley car accident lawyer will send preservation letters immediately and start investigating before insurance locks down the narrative. I want to tell you how accident claims work in western Wisconsin. Here's the reality. Insurance companies calculate cases using things like medical bills, wage loss, permanent injury ratings, fault percentages, and the risk of trial. If they know you hire a lawyer who won't go to trial, they'll discount the case. If they know your lawyer won't try a case, they'll discount it even more. Leverage matters. In smaller communities like Coon Valley, insurance companies assume people won't push back, but they're wrong. If you've been injured in a crash in Coon Valley or anywhere in Vernon County, here's my advice. Don't give a recorded statement. Get medical care and preserve evidence early. Then talk to someone who understands western Wisconsin roads, western Wisconsin juries, and western Wisconsin values. I've spent over 2 decades standing up to big insurance companies, and I'm not afraid to take a case to trial if that's what it takes. If you want straight answers about your situation, just reach out. The consultation is free. Let's make sure one bad crash doesn't become 2 mistakes.